Hello, welcome. My name's Melanie, and today I'm so excited to be sharing with you what I buy at Costco as somebody who follows a high protein diet. I found so many goodies today, some things that I buy on a regular basis and also some new finds, which I'm really excited about. If you're somebody who follows a high protein diet or somebody who wants to, I hope you find this video helpful and inspiring. Before we get started, would you quickly hit the like and subscribe button to help my channel grow? It means so much to me. Let's go. We're going to Costco.
Costco.
Yay! Where to begin? Why don't we start off with the meat that I purchased? Obviously, meat, best source of protein there is. I always stock up on lots of meat when I go grocery shopping, especially when I go to Costco. And also just want to mention, I didn't buy any red meat because my husband hunts, so we have a freezer full of wild game right now, so I do not need any more red meat in my house. I love seafood. Seafood is awesome. My kids love shrimp, so I always buy a big bag of frozen shrimp. These ones are actually pre-cooked, so that's super convenient. And they have the tail off, which I always buy. I hate taking off the tails. It's so annoying. Next up, I have salmon. We love salmon in this house. I have an amazing salmon recipe. If you guys want to know that recipe, just comment below and let me know that you're interested, and maybe I will do a video on how I make my salmon. I got some chicken breast. Great lean source of protein. We always have chicken in our house. Ground turkey was on sale. So I got this monster ground turkey, and we have one of those food savers where you can suction the meat and portion it out. So I'm gonna have to divide this up and I will throw it in the freezer. I'd love to experiment with a ground turkey homemade breakfast sausage. So I think I'm gonna play around with that and come up with a recipe that I like. Maybe I will share that as well. If you're at Costco, you cannot leave that place without buying one of these. Here you have it, a rotisserie chicken. You cannot beat the price. Like, you'd be crazy to go into Costco and not walk out with one of these. Okay, next up, I'm gonna show you some lunch meats. These are great for lunches. I always buy either turkey or chicken. These are also a great snack. Grab a couple slices and take it in the car with you. Or one of these, turkey sticks. I always have turkey sticks on hand because it's such a quick and easy snack to have that's high in protein. Canned tuna, great source of protein. I was also looking at the sardines. Those are amazing for protein, but I do buy sardines on occasion, but I do not like them. Okay, we have lots of eggs. We go through a ton of eggs in our house. This will probably last us like just over a week, if that. And egg whites, great protein, lean, no fat. So what I like to do for breakfast is I will have one whole egg and then I will scramble up egg whites with another whole egg and eat that so that it's less fat, high protein. Egg whites, must have. Okay, this is kind of getting ridiculous, like leaning over, so I'm gonna rearrange and then come back. Cottage cheese, this is also a staple in our house. Cottage cheese is an excellent source of protein. 15 grams of protein in half a cup. That's always something that we have in our house. More dairy. Dairy is awesome. Plain Greek yogurt, another amazing source of protein. I have this every single night before bed. It's low fat and 17 grams of protein in 3/4 cup. So, another staple. I also bought low-fat Swiss cheese. Surprisingly, it actually has a good amount of protein in it. 8 grams of protein in one slice. So I will often add a slice of Swiss cheese with my breakfast. I think it tastes great with toast and eggs. So I usually buy organic milk, but they didn't have any today. So I got some whole milk. I love whole milk in my coffee. I don't drink a ton of milk, but I do love it in my coffee, so whole milk. I also grabbed some avocados. Avocados are not a huge protein source. They're more of a fat source, but I like to add avocado with my protein, so I thought that was worth sharing as well. All right, let's talk bread. Costco recently started carrying this Carbonate. I don't know, maybe it's just Canadian Costco, but I'm from Canada, so they sell Carbonate bread. I was so excited to see this because You can have 2 slices and get a whopping 14 grams of protein. That is amazing for bread. And it's pretty low carb, only 18 grams of carbs in 2 slices. I usually only have 1 slice of bread with my breakfast, but I think I will start having 2 with the carbonate toast. Oh, and another goodie that I just found at Costco recently is this gluten-free, high-protein tortilla. 1 wrap is 11 grams of protein, so that's a really easy way to get extra protein in your day. Make a wrap for your lunch, throw in some lunch meat, some Swiss cheese. That is an awesome, awesome high-protein lunch. And while we're talking bread, if you know me, you know I love making homemade sourdough bread. I am not afraid of carbs at all. And today I was so excited. I found high-protein bread flour at Costco. I have not been able to find this ever at Costco, so this was incredible. Yes! So I grabbed 2 bags of bread flour. Obviously bread, not a super high source of protein, but to find this today was like, oh, happy day. Woo! Anyways, yep, love me some bread flour. Okay, I also grabbed collagen powder. I like to add this in my coffee sometimes or in my smoothies. Another great way to get some extra protein in your day. And these are actually a pretty cool find today. They are the Flourish Protein Pancake and Waffle Mix. And 2/3 of a cup, 23 grams of protein. So I'm excited to try these. I also love the keto granola that they sell. Although this isn't high in protein, it's only 3 grams in a 1/3 cup. I love putting this on top of my Greek yogurt, which is obviously a great source of protein. Sprinkling a little bit of this on top, don't have to worry about too many carbs. Great at bedtime, it tastes delicious, highly recommend. Okay, and the last thing I'm gonna show you is this organic lentil soup. Lentils are a decent source of protein for anybody who's on a plant-based diet. My kids love this soup, so I like to buy it for them to pack for lunches at school. 1 cup is 8 grams of protein. You can cook up a cup of soup and then maybe add some protein on the side, and that would be great. And it's really healthy, tastes really good. I'm just gonna put all of my groceries away and I'm gonna have a quick high protein snack, and I will share with you what I'm having for snack today.